Hey guys, welcome to hashtag Straight Poop. KLINKIE's here, Miss Colonel Klink of Hogan's Heroes. Yes, we're cooking something. She isn't. She doesn't know how to cook, okay? She knows how to eat. She knows how to go in the backyard, number one and number two. Join us in the kitchen, okay? KLINKIE says, come on, come on. We'll be right back. I'm making cauliflower steaks. You know, it's very good for you. It's very delicious, and it takes on flavorings really well. So what I'm doing is, I got Italian-style breadcrumbs here, and I'm just taking a portion of the eggplant, not eggplant, cauliflower, and from the middle section of the head, and you can get 4 nice slices before the florets start forming. And it's going right into this pan. I've got cannabis oil in there, and let me get this up here. Yes. I got cannabis oil going, and I need to season these guys. So simply salt and pepper. Yeah. And man, I love this. This is a nice snack. It's great for vegetarians. And when I took off, well, I'm still losing weight. I want to get down to my playing weight when I was in my 30s. But the nice thing about this is, man, I love eggplant. I mean, I love, well, eggplant too, but I love cauliflower, and I could eat as much as I want. And I'll take this and I might make a nice vinaigrette, you know, maybe throw some greens in there, but I'll straighten that out for you. But it's a wonderful, wonderful side dish, nice lunch, snack. Get the munchies, you know, you don't have to feel guilty. Not that I would. But yeah, I guess I would if I went to White Castle's, if I could find one. And eat about 24 of them. Okay. Let's see. Look this guy up. Yeah. This is nice, man. Nice and light. And simple, too. I like doing simple, but I like doing complicated, too. So, we'll cover all that here on hashtag Straight Poop. And you guys can get your free e-cookbook by going to the comment section, going to the pinned comment at the top, and clicking on the link. 125 barbecue cannabis recipes, 230 pages. Lots of swear words if you're into that. I am. So, okay, I'm going to give it a few more. I'm going to season it again on this side. And you can make eggplant this way too. I mean, love eggplant parmesan, but I don't bread it or deep fry it, you know. I mean, there's ways you can save calories. Personally, I'd rather have my calories than something else. Okay. You know what? You got a platter. Yeah, I'm going to squeeze some lemon on it. Because I think lemon is appropriate here. go. All right. I serve this around Thanksgiving time, you know? I also like to braise some Brussels sprouts. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze some lemon in here. Absolutely. I'm gonna get some of that. I'll lower that down. Get some of those pan juices. Yes, crispy brown bits. Beautiful. Let's get you guys a beauty shot here. How's that look? Nice. Cauliflower steaks, dredged in Italian breadcrumbs, and seasoned, and doused with lemon juice. Nice and easy. I'm going to eat this real quick too. So grab your free eat cookbook, okay? 125 barbecue cannabis recipes, 230 pages total. You've seen the graphics. Just go to the link at the top. Click on it and you'll have your book in about 8 seconds. Okay? So next time on hashtag straight poop, we'll be cooking something else. My dogs love having you here again, of course. And if you're waiting for us, you're loafing. Hang loose.